Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to enable sensitive content in the Tumblr mobile app. How to enable sensitive content in the Tumblr mobile app. To do this, you need to access the web version of Tumblr through your mobile device web browser. Follow these steps. Step 1. Open your mobile device's web browser, that is Safari, Chrome, Firefox, you decide. Use your preferred web browser. Next, go to tumblr.com and log into your account. Next, select your profile icon in the top left corner. Next, select Settings from the drop-down menu. Then scroll down to the filtering section. Toggle the Hide Sensitive Content switch to the off position. So this will help you disable the filter that hides potentially sensitive content. Note: Tumblr's mobile app has restrictions due to App Store guidance or guidelines. That is why enabling sensitive content needs to be done through the web version. By following these steps, you can view content that might have been previously hidden by the app's default setting. That's all it takes to enable sensitive content. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.